I might need to.
Tell me we got people in there.
I'm out of here.
Normal 24 season 10, June 6, 2018. It's I'm not in position at all. It's a Wednesday. It is Wednesday, my dudes.
Been here all along. See you later.
Oh, ambush got fucked. What am I doing? I'm gonna hack the Ryan. Ryan hacked. Damn it. G low. Good kill. I need to get help. Don't stay over here. Good kills, guys.
Much better.
What I think Sombra, like, a way to play her, one way is to, like, stay alive, above all. Get final blows, stay alive. Ryan going top. I need to hack the Brig or the Ryan. I got top side. Turret get low on health. Brig hacks. Brig hacks. It landed. Nice. Don't touch anything when you land. Because I didn't know if it was on an edge. It's happened before. Okay. I think I learned that now successfully. Or I put it on an edge by accident. May going for a turret. And you go up and over. Right hack. Right hack. That was good. That was clean as hell. Up and over. Out of there. What can I get? Reyna being friendly. The team is good. Carrying me. Oh my god. Man, you guys are like really good. We don't even have a tank and we just like shredded them. And it barely helped. Oh, I didn't even have it ready! Woo! That's freaking... Oh man, too greedy. I got the kid. Is you gonna res me or? Good looking out, homie. We have EMP. We're gonna EMP soon, probably. I'm gonna try to run it for a while. I'll EMP when necessary. Another time. EMP when they push in. Oh yeah. Oh, that's fine. I think it helps that I have the fatty right there and they can't touch the fatty. Like it's probably helping Doomfist like put work in. That was a really good hack on the Ryan. Like I was like, that's what I love about like the whole gaming. Is like you can conceptualize something like that and then just see it come to pass. Oh shit! He's gonna charge me. I'm fucked. My bad. They're gonna push heavy right now. They just killed our Sombra. Okay. Fuck! I fucked that up. Okay, I can just get backable. They killed 2 people. This team is carrying the fuck out of me. We have EMP. I can EMP. There's all the time. Hawk hacks. I can finish that. What do I need to do? I should have saved it for the Brig, but it's okay. This team is fucking carrying me. Oh my god, you guys are insanely good. I'm like not doing shit, and you just like a 5-1-6ing right now. Their hog has ult. Help the Mercy. Hog has ult. He's gonna come in with ult. I'm gonna go for hack the hog. I hacked him. They're about to do their final push. May low. May hacks. Just can't walk. No block. Nice finish. They're gonna start pushing heavy soon. Going this. Like, right hacked. Right hacked has shatter. Throw a mag at him. Nice regular kill. And a hack. I just wanted to instant hack the main. I think she was last. It was decent. That team was like rare, really good fucking team. We had no tank, and we just ate them with the turret. And they're running tanks. They're running. Did they have a healer? I don't remember, but I think they must not have had a primary healer. Oh yeah, they had the Ana. Look at that. I don't know. Were they just bad? They weren't talking probably. They weren't coordinating anything. Or just better. My squad was carrying me. And the turret, they didn't really have an answer for the turret. They get bogged up on the side. Bogged down on the side. They weren't making steady pushes. They were just kind of walking in slowly, letting us pummel them. So they kind of fucked up. It's just too far to walk without. They weren't hopping. I don't see why people don't understand the concept of hop generation run. They'll just walk up forward and let you eat up their shield instead of just like at least absorbing some with their model. I don't know. That's like one of the most 101 things. That's why I got mad at myself too. I did something that was I ambushed without having a hack ready. I got slept. I don't think that was that time. It was the other time, but
Everything can be hacked.
that might have been the same time. But yeah, that's some very 101 shit. Overwatch Sombra 101. Like you gotta know, you know, it's basic entry class level stuff. You gotta know how to. I was gonna say navigate. You gotta know how to. I guess navigate might be the word. I don't know. I gotta take a single. This is the. I guess I forgot. I got it in transmission. 1.24 season 10, June 6, 2018. It is Wednesday, my dudes. In transmission.